Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, finding horizontal tangent and how we can find a horizontal tangent to a function. For example, does the curve y is equal x to the power 4 minus 2x squared plus 2 have any horizontal tangent? Yes or no? Before we understand what is the meaning of horizontal tangent, we need to get something. This is not the curve of x power 4, but I want to just explain for you something. If I have a function and I draw a tangent at this point, to the function, what is the slope of this straight line? The slope of this straight line is 0. Why? Because it's an horizontal line which is parallel to the x-axis. What if I draw a tangent to the curve at this point? The slope is going to be positive because it's increasing. What if I draw a tangent at this point? The slope is going to be negative because it's decreasing. So I'm looking for the point on the curve that when I'm drawing a tangent, its slope will be 0. And as we said before, that the definition of slope in the function could be the same as the derivative of dy by dx. dy by dx. So to find any horizontal tangent to a function, all what you have to do is to find the derivative and equality the derivative of 0. Equality the derivative with 0. And define where is the point into this function or on this function which is equal to 0. If I wanted to find the horizontal tangent to a function, I need to find the derivative or the first derivative dy by dx. Y is equal x to the power 4, so dy with respect to x is equal. X to the power 4, its derivative is 4x to the power 3 minus 2x squared is 4x. And any number, its derivative is equal to 0. Now, I need to make equality of this 0 to equal, the derivative to equal to 0. 4x to the power 3 minus 4x. How I can factorize it? By taking 4x as highest common factor. 4x to the power 3, 4 divided by 4 is 1. X to the power 3 divided by x is x squared. Minus 4x divided itself is equal to 1. X squared minus 1 is called difference of two squares. So it can be written as 4x, and difference of two squares can be factorized to x minus 1 and x plus 1. So I have three values, make the equation equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1, and at x is equal to negative 1, and x is equal to negative 1. So I have three values here. Make all have horizontal tangent on